Hi, what's up AMP coin holder? This is very urgent and very important update for all AMP holder. Congratulations again my brothers to AMP will pumps up, and hope you are very happy today because my brother, after a very long time AMP will pumps up finally, and I'm so happy because I'm also holder of AMP. So my friend, definitely this is the proper time, and absolutely a lot of holders comment me to how we will earn money in a crypto. So my brothers, first of all, you subscribe our YouTube channel, click the red button and press the bell icon for videos notification if you want to earn money in a crypto. Definitely my friend, we will tell you a lot of about a lot of altcoin my friend, and absolutely we will predicate a lot of coins. We will do a technical analysis for my viewers, my subscriber, to understand better now, to get up profits now in every single day. So let's see my friend, in those days especially, what's the condition of AMP and what's our next plan my friend. So my friend, AMP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and this time you can see here my friend, the AMP price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing now. So therefore I'm very excited to see this. But congratulations my friend for all of you, to after a very long time this coin will pumps up 1.86% my friend. In last 24 hours this coin will pumps up. But as you can see my friend, here is you can see here a full bag here, one full bag is here my friend, as you can see here, just an only, and second here, and third here, and fourth here my friend. These all full bag if we combine, so that's mean you can see my friend the direction is moving in upward direction. The resistance line is come out here now. So I hope my friend, if a holder remember my friends, to if a holder are starting selling, so the coin will dumps down. But if a holder are stop selling and they are starting investing, so the coin will moving upward. So I recommend all of you my friend, and I just and only suggest you to please hold it now. I hope to in upcoming time they will give you a lot of good profits now. So please, if you are hold it. I hope my friend at the end of month every coin will pump up. So therefore I know to upcoming days also this coin will take a very huge jumps now. Please hold it, and please don't starting selling. See you next time holder. Please like video and subscribe our YouTube channel.